I'm really excited to share that I now know of a temporary workaround, okay, to get captions in another language. Okay, now this might not be new to you, so if it isn't, keep going. But if you don't know, you can take any video on YouTube and have it generate captions in different languages. I tried to find workarounds for creating videos in Spanish and in other languages. And CapCut is really close, but they couldn't do Spanish. So what I'm going to show you is if you take any video on YouTube, and I'm going to take mine, obviously, and right here, okay, I'm going to go, well, before I play the video, right here, there's closed captions. If you select closed captions, it now shows the auto-generated captions, but I changed it to Spanish because I wanted to see there's a bunch of different languages that you can choose from. But I did choose Spanish, and I want to show you what this does. Whoops. So now when you play the video, you can see that everything that I'm saying is now translated in Spanish. Now, granted, you'd have to know how to at least read in the language that you've selected. But if this is a temporary workaround, this is great. So I wanted to share that. If you have been helped by this video in any way, hit the thumbs up button and leave any questions for me in the comments below. Thank you.